Let me tell you something. One of the best feelings about being a football fan is when your club introduces a new player that you instantly fall in love with. And the Pirates love to do this, right? Every year, they always introduce us to gems that we knew little to nothing about. And that's the case with Lenwana Leo. Mukobodi, I've always been yearning for midfielders at the Orlando Pirates. If you've been following me for a while, you know that this is the department I always complain about, right? And you don't need much here. Just the basics. Know the basics and execute them well. And that's exactly what this boy does. But the midfield is the most complicated position to play because it requires a lot of awareness, right? You are surrounded 360. I always emphasize this. And you cover a lot of channels in and around the pitch. You move vertically, you move horizontally. So you need to know how to position yourself. One of the main reasons why some midfielders struggle and constantly lose the ball is that they don't position themselves well. So what happens is that when you receive on the first touch, you still need to maneuver yourself out of situations before making it pass. And more often than not, your ball gets taken there. But if you position yourself well, it becomes easier now to be more efficient. Just trap, move, pass the ball, compress space, and then regather. And that's exactly what this boy does. I've been talking, so let's just play it in full flow, right? You see the space he occupies. This is the positioning part now. You see, you do not position yourself close to UCBC here because you are inviting pressure already and you're making it obvious that the next pass is going to go to you. But also, we are not breaking any line. So you need to position yourself away from the passer. But as soon as UCBC passes, then you compress the space, you collect. He turns, progresses the play, 1, 2, Singenil. We are in the opposition half. Well, like, these are basics, Bafetu. And now you know I like to glaze the very basics because basics are important, right? You just need to know how to execute them. You don't have to complicate things. That's why Abanaba needs Besit Mukobodi. He doesn't give you nothing. It's because he just does the basics and he makes our midfield so efficient. Like Coach tried to emphasize that this is still part of the integration phase, right? And usually what coaches would do, they would give you 2 chances at the beginning of the season. One off the bench. Let's see how you do when you're coming off the bench. And if you impress, you're probably going to get another chance off the bench or maybe as a starter, right? Umukobodi came twice off the bench, and in the third game, in the absence, fortunately for him, of Unduli and Umbata, right? He started this game and he took his opportunities. This is how you qualify yourself for the 18 for the remainder of the season, or at least the first half of it. Because we are going to need this boy, right? Unduli is out for 4 months. Umbata is out for 2 months. There is like 6 to 8 games in between that. And you need a good midfield partnership to be able to contend in those fixtures. And Lenwane, right, man. I like him, but again, it's against the cheaper. So you can't read too much into it.